Tired of paying crazy prices for Mac apps? Today, I'm breaking down the best free Mac software that replaces all those expensive paid programs you're used to. No fluff, just straight up tools to get your work done and your creativity flowing. Before we jump in, quick heads up. I've put together a handy free AI tools guide packed with the newest and best free AI apps to help you ditch expensive software and level up your productivity. If you want a copy, just sign up for my email list using the link in the description below, and I'll send it straight to your inbox. Let's start with Office productivity. If you're tired of the hefty price tags of Microsoft Office or Apple's iWork suite, LibreOffice and OpenOffice are here to save the day. These free suites pack a punch with their word processing, spreadsheets, and presentations, and they play nicely with MS Office file formats. The UI might not be as sleek as Apple's, but the power they offer for $0 is awe-inspiring. If you deal with PDFs a lot, instead of Adobe Acrobat Pro, try PDFSam, Skim, or PDF Arranger for merging, splitting, and annotating PDFs. They deliver smooth performance for most users, although Adobe still leads on ultra-advanced features. For all the creative souls out there, if you're a fan of Photoshop, you can't miss out on GIMP. It's free, open source, and offers most of the features Photoshop does. The interface may be different, but once you get the hang of it, its professional-grade power is truly inspiring. And for raw image editing like Lightroom, DarkTable is the go-to free alternative, offering professional tools and non-destructive editing. In video editing, skip Final Cut Pro costs by using Kdenlive or Shotcut. Both are open source, support multi-track editing, transitions, and effects. For most creators, they cover all needs except high-end studio polish. Running Windows or other OSs on your Mac? Instead of Parallels, give VirtualBox a try. It's free and supports multiple platforms. It may not be as seamless as Parallels, but it is perfect for those who want free virtualization. Security-wise, ditch pricey 1Password for Bitwarden or KeePass XC. They are secure, feature-rich, and offer cross-device sync. Bitwarden's free tier is generous, supporting unlimited devices. For vector graphics, drop Adobe Illustrator for Inkscape, a beast of a free vector editor. The UI may feel old school, but you'll find everything you need to design logos, icons, and art. Task management apps like OmniFocus or Things have free tier alternatives like Todoist or Task Warrior. They may not be quite as polished, but they let you organize your workflow efficiently. Instead of relying just on iCloud or Dropbox, use SyncThing to sync files in a decentralized, private way across all your devices. macOS, Android, Windows, you name it. Window management? Instead of Magnet, grab Rectangle. It's open source, free, and offers customizable keyboard shortcuts for smoothly snapping and tiling windows. If you stream or record, ditch paid Streamlabs for the open source OBS Studio. It's powerful, flexible, and the industry standard, even if setup takes a bit to master. Media playback? Nothing beats VLC Media Player. It's free and plays almost every audio and video format flawlessly. Bookworms should try Calibre for managing, converting, and reading ebooks. It's free, powerful, and a perfect alternative to paid ebook apps. For utilities, App Cleaner lets you uninstall apps and clear all their leftovers. Stats keeps an eye on your CPU, RAM, and network usage right from the menu bar. Need to keep your Mac awake? Caffeine has you covered. Developers and writers, try CotEditor, Genie, or MacVim for powerful and free coding and text editing. And here's a highlight you don't want to miss: LocalSend. If you love AirDrop but wish it worked beyond Apple devices, LocalSend is your new best friend. It's open source, free, and lets you transfer files securely across Mac, iPhone, Android, Windows, and Linux, all over your local network. Unlike AirDrop's instant Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi magic, LocalSend requires both devices to be on the same Wi-Fi network with the app running, but its cross-platform functionality is unbeatable. Also, don't forget other super helpful free apps like HandMirror for AI-powered file management, Stats for system monitoring, Raycast as a powerful productivity launcher, Kika for file compression, and so many more that extend your Mac's core capabilities without charging you. In short, these free and freemium apps cover every essential category, from office work and creative design to system utilities and security to task and project management. While sometimes their interfaces or advanced features aren't as smooth as paid apps, They offer incredible value and performance, saving you money and often respecting your privacy better. Give them a go, save some cash, and keep your Mac experience powerful and enjoyable. Don't forget to grab our free AI Tools Guide from the link in the description. It's packed with game-changing AI tools that can supercharge your creative workflow and replace even more expensive software. If you want me to cover any of these apps in detail or need help setting them up, shout in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite free Mac apps with the community. Until next time, keep creating and stay awesome.